Hello, everyone. What we got here today is the new Condor XC-002 Pro key cutting machine, and let's mainly talk about its new features in this video. First, we need to power up the machine. Turn on the power switch and you'll notice the LED light in the front will turn on, and the speed display will also light up. The 002 Pro offers an easy way to install probes and cutters. There is no need to use an Allen wrench to install the probe and the cutter anymore. What we need to do is simply pull the lock switch to make sure it's unlocked. Insert the probe all the way up and pull to lock the switch. The installation of the cutter is the same. Loosen the lock switch. Insert and hold the cutter and lock the switch. The innovative method not only makes the installation more convenient but also ensures the automatic centering and clamping of the probe and the cutter, avoiding center deviation caused by traditional method and greatly improving the accuracy and reliability of cutting. Let's take a look at this unit. After powering up the machine, when we press down the main handle, you can see the cutter actually is not spinning. What we need to do is turn on the cutter power switch at the right side. Press down the handle. You can see the cutter is spinning immediately. We rotate the handle clockwise to lock it. And rotate this knob to adjust the speed of the cutter. 002 Pro now offers 7 speeds to facilitate your work. Let's take a look at the red knob on top. This is the mode switch knob, which allows you to switch between Dimple mode and standard mode. We rotate the knob to switch to the Dimple mode. Now the probe can move up and down to detect the depth of the holes on the key. The mode is mainly used to duplicate Dimple keys. When the knob directs at standard mode, we can cut double-sided, single-sided, 4-track external, 2-track external, 4-track internal, channel track keys. By the way, there is a QR code here. Scan it to view the 002 Pro tutorials. If you encounter problems, you no longer have to rush online to search for videos. It is very convenient. Next, let's talk about the newly designed clamp of Condor XC-002 Pro. Slide in the clamp and make sure the mark at the bottom of the machine points to the little triangle of CB or A on the clamp. You can adjust the position to your needs, then tighten the knob. Condor XC-002 Pro features 3 grooves for key clamping. The left one can be used to clamp edge cut keys. This is a guiding block used to assist us to clamp edge cut keys. Insert the guiding block, and we have an edge cut key here. Now we insert the key and make sure it is aligned using a shim. Tighten the clamp knob. Then we can hold the main handle and press down to start cutting. The silver handle beside the sub-handle in our left can be used to assist our cutting. The middle groove can be used to cut internal cut keys. Insert the key, then tighten the clamp knob. Loosen the black locking knobs behind the clamp. Rotate the clamp to 45 degrees and lock it. We usually use the right groove to hold thin house keys like this one. Loosen the black locking knobs and return the clamp to its normal flat state. Additionally, each of the 3 grooves has its recommended clamp mounting location. For example, when you use the left groove, it is recommended to fix the clamp at point C. The middle groove corresponds to point B. The right groove corresponds to point A. Of course, you can also adjust the position of the clamp according to your operating habits. Next, let's talk about how to move the cutting platform when these delimitation knobs are fully released. The cutting platform can be moved freely. And if we only tighten the right knob, the cutting platform can only move along y-axis. However, when moving along x-axis, the platform will always go back to its original position after you release the handle. If both knobs are tightened, the cutting platform can only move along y-axis, and the x-axis movement is completed locked. This can help us when cutting some keys that require linear cutting. That's all about this new Condor XC-002 Pro.